About sa impeachment, attorney.
Kaning impeachment, ang frequent na pangutana, is it 16 votes sa two-thirds sa Constitution? Yes, it is 16 votes. Iyon naman si Chief Justice Davide, who was also in the Constitutional Commission. Nga, it doesn't matter kung absent si Senator Bato o sa absent si Jinggoy
Marcoleta.
or Marcoleta. Doesn't matter. The pro-impeachment senators should have 16 votes plus ningon man po si Senator Escudero from the start of the impeachment nga ang two-thirds is 16. Wala man yung tubag nila. Kung may ni-object nila. Ang gadahan sila nga dili kuno 16, i-base lang kuno sa 22 or 21. Tapos kung appeal di si Sara, siya na yung musaka sa Supreme Court. Baligskad ba? Baligtad yan. Kasi that is not a it's a flexible rule. That is a rule set in the Constitution. It should be two-thirds of all the members of the Senate, whether they're present or absent, unless they're already dead.
Attorney, your thoughts on the ongoing impeachment trial? Sa assessment ni mo so far, attorney?
I think hindi naman nila na-prove yung disallowance gibulsa ni VP Sara. In fact, the auditor said nga he was cross-examined. The auditor niingon nga it doesn't mean nga gibulsa niya. Kanang disallowance mo kana yung walang mga sakto nga OR, wala yung proper receipts, wala yung reports nana. So people have to understand that the notice of disallowance is a civil liability. Inapasoli lang ang kwarta. It's not a criminal liability. Ang criminal action nga ang ground nga under the impeachment is graft and corruption under the Constitution. Now, the prosecution is trying to prove disallowance as graft and corruption. That's wrong. Disallowance is only a civil liability. That's already a Supreme Court decision. Meaning na kung disallowed, the Vice President can appeal in the Commission COA proper. Nang natalo siya doon, she went up to the Supreme Court. I think it's still pending in the Supreme Court, itong mga disallowance. But it's only a civil liability. It's not graft. It's not graft. So, whatever they're trying to prove there, it's really, they have not proven na sa disallowance may graft.
So, tanaw ni monitor ni, murag, hindi kayo man yung magpalampos sa
It's really politically motivated. So, yung mga dyan, decided na yan i-convict si Sara, like Risa Ontiveros, Pam Aquino, Kiko Pangilinan. They already decided. Maybe Gatchalian. No? They're decided already. Pero si Escudero, you can see he is not decided. No? Si Hercito siguro decided na rin yan. Pero unfortunately, yan sila, they were supported also. JB Hercito was supported by President Duterte before. And Chis Escudero, of course. But now they moved to the majority, and the objective really of the majority is to convict VP Sara in this impeachment. But sa akon, kung ako patanawon, kung ako may judge they are not proving anything. They're not proving graft and corruption by proving that there is a disallowance of so many millions of pesos, because that's only a civil liability. Ginapasoli lang ang kwarta ba?
Kaning pagpahigayon sa impeachment nga trial, attorney ba? Murag way lang ni siya aron pagtabong yun sa tinuoray nga kahimtang sa ato.
I think it's a distraction, di ba? That's why dugay na ko against from the start. Although, di ba, nagleni ko. Dilawat magyog ko Aquino nya Lenny. I really oppose that because alam ko na na politically motivated, plus we'll spend a lot of money for that impeachment trial for nothing. In fact, when it was President Duterte, when somebody in his camp wanted to impeach Leni Robredo, niyon siya, oy dili oy, iboto na sa tao, anong ipa-impeachment ninyo? So, this is really the scheme of Bongbong Marcos and his gang. Somebody else is doing the thinking for BBM. Grabe yung mga advisors niya, grabe. They are successful in papriso si Marcoleta, si Mike, ilan na po glagson si Loren Legarda, Lian, Anang tanan nga oposisyon nga kusog ilang ipapriso. And ang hugas kamay lang si BBM pero utos niya yan. Utos niya yan lahat. Yung impeachment na ito, we're wasting our taxpayers' money. They should be solving instead the problems of the country.
Attorney, do you think attorney kaning impeachment trial kanang undangon na nila then let them vote?
No, di sila kaundang kay the Supreme Court said due process in every step. So they are trying very hard.